Hello, everyone, friends and trader, and here we are again for yet another scalping session with real can, real money, and the new TA scanner. And yeah, I mean, we kick things off with fireworks, guys. Just look at the chart. I already entered 4 times short, and this is a massive pump. With me, Dimitro. Ben is still busy. Hi, Dimitro. How are you?
Yeah, I'm good. I'm just very excited to see what's this chart will bring us, because yeah, it's actually looks looks very interesting.
Oh my god! It looks like horrible. It's so nasty. Hello, Soda. Yeah, curious to see what this session will bring. So let's start with firework.
Yeah, I
Um,
mean, look at the RSI. Oh my God, 95. Wow, that's the biggest
Yeah,
I've ever
yeah.
seen
We
actually.
are
I mean,
like
95 is
96 and the prices keep pushing high. There is no limit. I don't know where the price could go. But actually, today I want to try something different. So instead of the classic strategy that we always use here in the live stream, namely the BB reversion, today we use one of like my own strategies that I developed on TA scanner, and it's consists of going short on pumps and bullish spikes crazy like this. So actually I just backtested now and 15 minutes before earlier the live stream I just entered short, as you can see, 4 times on this huge spike. So
let me know
uh
about position sizing for this trade.
so let me see. We I enter with 1% for each
Okay, so
order.
it's 4 in
So
total.
actually, yeah, it's 4% in total. I'm risking 4%, and the break even is at this volume conglomeration level.
Hmm.
And so yeah, basically the strategy is very quite similar to the BB reversion we use in the past, but I only look for shorts. So since the BB reversion works also for long, in my case I just want to do short when I do scalping. So basically the rules, the rules I have set are very simple. Basically, is let me open it here. Edit. Can I edit it or not?
Yeah, click on edit just and
Oh yeah, here we go. So
yeah.
basically very simple rules and filters. Of course, exchange we are using Binance Future, currencies USDT. Time frame 5 minutes, and also it will be great if you select the 24-hour volume USD and put at least 1 million USDT. But I didn't do that. I always check here. As you can see, we also have the value on daily volume here. So
Mhm.
just check this parameter every time. And rules, I set only 2 rules. Rise on the 5 minutes chart more than 3%, more
More
or
or equal, yeah. I can see,
yeah,
yeah,
right.
more or equal. Uh-huh.
And RSI on the 14 period over 70. So
Should we use only operators and or we can also use operators or for these two settings? Because I can see here is and. I mean, you know what I'm saying. I mean, you can see like rise 5 and RSI 14. Yeah, here. So we can
yeah,
we
correct.
should
You
use
can.
and or we can use or. I mean,
Yeah,
and
I
it's
use, and so they must stay together.
yeah, yeah,
So
yeah,
it's
yeah.
like the combination, because I want both, because maybe sometime the rise is over 3%, but there is not over both yet.
Mm-hmm.
So the
Yeah,
price could,
that's what I'm saying. Yeah.
Yeah,
So
so
two
yeah,
settings should work. I mean, simultaneously.
yeah, nice question, Dimitro. You're right. So yeah, I put n because or we could have many charts that are getting shown
Hmm.
with this parameter, but actually maybe they didn't have that spike or that rise. So it's a very simple strategy. So let's see how it performs and whatever we can find good opportunities. Otherwise, we will combine it with our classic BB reversion because actually I also use it with volume on the price here, the volume profile, and volume on the time. So
Hmm.
earlier I also add another parameter that was the volume, but I see that the filter doesn't show me that much opportunities. As you can see, the list is very short. Usually when we use the BB reversion, we have like many coins and pairs that are shown
Hmm.
here. So this strategy, I think, offer just few opportunities. So the problem is the issue is that these setups are very rare. So you don't find many of them. Uh,
Yeah,
and
I'm actually looking for right now maybe some news about this coin. Maybe something happened because of this huge spike. You know, we see a lot of liquidity on this
oh
green.
yeah,
Yeah, first of all,
yeah, that will be
a lot
great
of
if you
volume.
can. I mean, look at this guy. 55% of rise in 20 minutes. Like
Yeah, that's.
literally, yeah, four candles. So now we are seeing the first rejection, but actually, this is not a good sign because the candle should be much explosive, like big drop.
Hmm.
But anyway, is not sustainable and is I think it's a manipulated pump. Hello, Green Crypto guys. Good afternoon. Welcome
Hello,
back.
hello.
And yeah,
Yeah. So
I
actually,
was.
I cannot find any like urgent news about that. Honestly, so
Mhm.
probably it's just like
We
organic.
also
You
have,
know.
yeah, we also have our TA indicator consensus that is showing like strong buy consensus all around the time frames from 15 minutes to 1 day. But look at the performance in the last month, minus 14, in the last 3 months, minus 20, and the last year, 75. So the main trend is bearish. The price is keep going high. So at a certain point, I think I should manage this position because look at this. We are quite over the risk reward. So we need to be very careful.
I'm
Um,
just very scary of outcome of this stream, you know, because at the end we can see PNL a bit red, I would say.
yeah. That is like the first back testing is today of these strategies. So I want to give it more time. And
Yeah,
I was
that's a good
saying,
question actually. Let's see higher time frames. Maybe we can see some key levels there.
yeah. Just let me finish the
Yeah, sure.
explanation because one also interesting. I was talking about the volume is that I also consider look at this the volume above the moving average anchor to the volume is the 20 period moving average. So also I want to see this spike of volume to see retracement then. Yeah, let's go to which time frame you suggest, Dimitro, for
I
a higher
mean,
time.
30 minutes, 1 hour, something like that.
Okay,
Not
let's
bigger.
go to the 30 minutes.
Okay, we break.
So
Uh,
look at this. Is something not real. This is totally
I mean,
manipulated.
it's a really big one. Okay, we have some levels. Okay, point 11. Yeah, let's go to 1 hour, I think.
Let's go to 1 hour.
Oh yeah, and you did some trades already on that, yeah? I can see, like back
Yeah,
in February.
on last February.
Mm-hmm.
So actually, let me see if we have some record in
Yeah,
the past,
RSI
like the
is
last
partly
year.
oversold now. Green crypto guy said, yeah, it's was like in a peak. I would say 95, 96. That was so big. I mean,
Yeah, so basically the chart is quite regular. Look at this down, look at this up, look at this down, look at this up. Basically, we are like in a macro lateral trending range. We have big static resistance at this level and support here. So now we are almost reaching this huge and high resistance. All the volumes are placed to the downside. By the way, you see that
yeah.
we are already out of the volume. And look at the volume on time. This is the volume on price. Look at the volume on time. We never reach this level before. Only here, and the price. Then let me zoom in a bit.
But maybe this coin got some some whales, some big investors, and they decided
Maybe,
to
yeah.
buy.
But actually, can you see what Bitcoin is doing right now? Because I
Yeah.
didn't check earlier, and Wall Street already open. But by the way, yeah, we held a kind of similar move the last February. Look at this, RSI extremely overbought, volume spike like crazy, and then the price drop correct to the moving average at least.
Okay,
So
I would say, yeah, I would say right now Bitcoin is pretty calm. I mean, nothing major moves. Bitcoin moving in range between like 72 to 67K. I mean, for the last few days. I mean, since like even last week, So nothing very major. I mean, yeah,
okay, yeah, same RSI spike. I mean, look at this, and yeah, same volume. So the volume, of course, at a certain point will dramatically drop and return to the moving average. So actually now the price is slowing down. So let's keep it. Maybe let's put an alert, or maybe just let's put a stop loss and over this level. So edit.
Ben said such a fake move. Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, this is a fake move. The problem is the timing. So let's see when finally the price decided to move down. But yeah, but
Yeah, it should about to drop, but I mean the volume is so big. I don't know, like
yeah, the volume is still so high, and we are above the moving average anchor to the volume. But the problem is that my trigger, I mean, my expectation was to see a huge and instant drop. So
yeah. So
I
it
don't
will look
really
like
like.
exactly like manipulation. I mean,
Yeah, it's like it is called like a V shape. So it's like this V move. And also on the other side, when the price drops, you just can see a recovery immediately as a V shape. So
mhm.
this kind of move looks like maybe there is a correction, but bulls are still in control. So maybe it could turns to the highs here. But anyway, let me remove drawings, and I want to set like an emergency stop loss, like the last stop loss. But I don't
Yeah,
have the
that's
order anymore.
Green Crypto guy said, "Will Trump make some announcements in 50 minutes?" We don't know. We will see because it looks like Trump already made announcement about party. Like
Yeah, he
15
makes
minutes ago.
announcement every hour. Okay, I have stop loss here. Okay, let's put the stop loss here and maybe put in like a loss cooldown. So the next 50 minutes and the emergency stop loss here. So I'm gonna take ooh.
Yeah, it not looks good actually. I mean, price keep pushing.
Yeah, let's move the emergency stop loss.
The same candle, and we will need to think about like manual going to stop loss.
Yeah.
Ben said levels are
Um,
much higher.
is
0.113 is
liquidity.
liquidity. Yeah, if we can see on the 1 hour chart, definitely we will see
Mhm.
that.
Let's move to 1 hour chart
I mean,
and
it even was
spot the
like
liquidity.
all-time high, I think. Yeah, I don't know. We need to see right now.
It's loading. 113. Let's see the liquidity on the 1 hour. Yeah, it's
Yeah, it looks like
yeah, it's
all-time high.
basically
Yeah,
here.
it's all-time high or no?
Yeah, this is the all-time high. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Um, but I don't want to keep that uh,
Ben said no. It's not.
target.
It's not all-time high, probably. So yeah, it's okay. I mean, in terms of if.
Let's go to 1 day, but there is no previous record for the last year.
Mhm.
It's a bit slow. Let me.
Probably because coin was just released. Like, oh yeah, it's no. Yeah, before
Okay, now it's
definitely
recording.
was way more bigger.
Oh my god, yeah, it's recorded. So, yeah, now on 1 day, so, uh, uh,
Check the spot chart, Rafa. Let's go. Let's check it.
okay, let's go to party West party.
Yeah, party.
Party. Let's go to the spot USDT. Yeah, now it got the data and it got listed on April of last year. So
Mhm.
actually it should be the same. Okay, let me kill. Yeah, definitely is the same. Yeah. Look at this, is the same. So yeah, listed 30 March 2025. So the highest are quite far. I mean, it's quite far, but look at the price, how it drops, and we are still under the moving average. So there is like flag pattern. So the
Mhm.
price is forming higher highs and higher lows, but the resistance is still working here. So basically, it's like triangle,
Triangle. Mhm.
something like that.
Okay.
Let me go back to
Done.
one
Yeah. Ben said
one
volume is
minutes.
dropping. Let's see on. Okay. Yeah. Actually, it's a good. Oh my god.
Oh my god. Oh my god, I never seen
uh
something like this. I
yeah.
should exit now unless we don't have the capital
I
anymore
mean, I
to
mean,
run
yeah,
it.
it's 100% definitely will drop back, but when? I mean, it can be
Yeah, the
like in
problem
one
is
hour or so, even
yeah,
in
the
few
problem
hours.
is
And yeah.
yeah, the problem is always the timing. So finally the volume is um is under the moving average, but still too high. So I think we should exit here.
Sadly, but
Ben,
yes.
let's see for Ben
Opinion.
direction. I mean
Yeah.
for Ben command, because we already 20 minutes of light, and that is our trade. I mean, it's my trade. Look at
I mean,
this.
I just joined the studio and saw that. I'm like, what's happened, Rafa?
Yeah, I mean 28% of like spike without any hesitation, and only green candles. We have, I mean, we had many red bells like signals
Yeah.
for a short, but yeah, something is
Okay, Ben
something
said
is
let it right.
hidden.
Then
But we should have a kind of strategy to manage it. I mean, we are moving from PNL of 5% from last week to a loss of like
yeah,
10% for this
it's a
week.
part of trading, you know, it happens sometimes. So yeah.
You are in too deep already. It's going to go down. Sorry. Let me remove the banner because that was
Yeah, I
from
also was like,
another live. Yeah,
you
yeah,
did
yeah.
already one
Sorry,
trades.
I forgot it. Yeah, it was from the Italian channel.
Hmm.
Um, okay, just remove this stop loss, but let's put some alert,
Yeah, at least
or let
on some
me.
levels, and then we can find, I think, um, something else.
Yeah, yeah,
Ben said it's either blowing the account at 0.119 or it's gone. Okay, yeah, it's actually good one, but we don't want to
yeah,
blow
but
account completely.
yeah, but the problem is always that we need to have the margin to handle and to manage this kind of move, because look at this crazy. Of course, I mean, everyone knows that the price at a certain point will drop. Of course.
Yeah,
The problem is when and which
exactly.
levels we gonna it gonna reach. So that is the most difficult about trading. I mean, even if your prediction, your forecast is right, the price can stay in overbought or like in a crazy zone price level for hours.
Hmm.
So it's like an exhaustion phase, is the final war between who go. Oh, now it's dropping good. We reached this 1 hour fair value gap. So we are seeing some weakness finally. I was saying, yeah, so that is everything about trading and scalping. Is
So
like a
the
mirror.
liquidation level at 0.119, yeah.
0119 is quite high.
Yeah, so I mean it's liquidation level, yeah.
Oh, yeah, yeah. One. Yeah, I mean, so I think our last last safe level is this one, because after that there is. Let me zoom. Okay, let me zoom out a little bit. Maybe move to 4 hours. Yeah, so we have no. Okay, we have massive volume concentrated here. So we are at the POC level here. This is the huge resistance that is working since November of the last year.
Okay,
After this
let's
level,
check
there
the
is no
chart.
volume.
Yeah, let's check the chart. Res USDT. Ben said that he was in the same position. Let's
Oh,
see.
okay. On future. right?
Yeah, I think
So
it
we
wasn't finished.
still have the the, rec- the record. Ooh,
Okay, I already can see big
where is
spike.
it?
I mean, I
No,
think
but
it
there
was
is no trade. We didn't trade on future.
on
Yeah.
futures. Yeah, it's spot.
Okay.
Yeah, it's spot.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, but actually, this chart is more beautiful than party, because party is like up and down, up and down. This is just down. Look at how always the moving average pushed the price down.
Yeah, let's go to time
Let's
frame, like
go to 1 hour.
at least.
It's a bit slow because I'm using my phone camera and it's connected to my laptop by Wi-Fi. So it's wow, wow, definitely is that wow. Oh my god,
A lot.
oh my god. Let's measure 50%
Almost
move.
50. Yeah. Oh my god.
50%. Look at this. Even even the RSI is like over the calculated range. We cannot
Over
see
100. Yeah.
it. Look at this. 95
I mean,
volume.
actually, it looks exactly like this situation. Yeah, but then everything, I mean, dropped.
Yeah, but
And
it took a while.
yeah, of
Took
course.
like a
And you can
long
see we
time.
are on 1 hour, so it took like several days, I would say. So
Yeah, yeah.
could be the same.
So I think next week, Dimitro, we jump on the scalping session and we still have this trade on to manage.
Okay, okay, we're gonna trade this, I think, for a month.
That's why always, even with Ben, the scalping session turns to like a monthly journal. But yeah, actually, yeah. Thanks, Ben. Good example. I mean, it's a nice sample. It's quite similar situation, same conditions. Uh, so definitely, yeah. Of course. Okay, so just let it go. Let it go. Now, let me go back to the 5 minutes. Now the price is retracing, uh, and RSI is back
Okay, and
to
also,
80.
Rafa,
Let's
someone is
see
asking
why.
to see analyze CRV USDT. So yeah, let's. Oh, okay, it's
Let's
dropping actually in 5 minutes. I already see two red candles, which is a good signal.
yeah. Let's hope.
Yeah. Let's see
Okay, let
CRV
me
USDT
open this
quickly.
CRV USDT.
Yeah.
All right, CRV USDT feature. Let's see what is wrong with the candles. Mm,
Yeah.
let me see the cap. So 300
So red.
millions. Ooh,
So
all the consensus are for a strong sell around all time frames. So user 78664, what do you want to do here? Like you you are looking for a long position. I mean, I'm seeing like a break to the moving average and like it's forming a 1 2 3 formation of Ross. We have the SSL that is working here.
Yeah,
So
sell
we
side
do,
liquidity. Oh, no.
and so I don't know what is your consider. I mean, your expectation on this chart. Why you mentioned it for a long, but too many comments. I cannot
I
read
mean
all of
that that's good.
them.
Yeah, that's good. Okay, good.
Mm-mm-mm.
I mean, it's red and it's good.
I don't like it, but yeah. Uh, so the highest, I mean, the scenario that is running in my head is like this.
We all
So
hope
we're
for that.
gonna meet here. Yeah, but we're gonna meet here like the next week for sure. So this is very slow move.
I wish I can draw and it will be like the same, you know.
Let's take some screenshot first. That will be our memory. Okay. So that looks solid. Uh, Barcode. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Ben is right. So CRV definitely is not tradable because it's like barcode trading. Anyways, let's open our TA scanner finally. After 32 minutes, we can have a look
We
and
can start.
see.
We can start
We
the
can
stream.
start the live stream finally. So let's see if this strategy I have said is showing us some other good
By the way, did you put
opportunity.
some alerts on party or no? Or we leave it like that?
Okay, you're right. You're right, Dimitro. Let's put like an alert.
Yeah, at least one.
Yeah, let's put an alert here. And what else? Maybe.
I mean, something close to break even, maybe. Like
Okay.
just just maybe,
Yeah.
you know,
Mm-hmm.
if we will not notice that. And yeah, I think it's good. Look at
Yeah,
that
yeah.
volume gap.
Yeah, good point. I was also looking at that. So if we lose this zone, this conglomeration, definitely will drop immediately. So that's why
Yeah.
you see it's reacting at this bottom here is reacting. So there is a lot of accumulation volume here. So that will be an exhaustion phase for a while. If we definitely break this price level here is
Yeah.
just a panic. So we're gonna reach the alert in few seconds. The problem is, of course, that the price is stuck here. Okay. Anyways, let's open and let's see if we spot something else. No, I was looking for this. I was looking for this, Dimitro.
Yeah. One one spike
Look at this.
short, then next spike short.
That
Simple as that.
was that was my setup, my trigger. That was a perfect setup. That was my I mean the strategy I developed. It's basically this kind of trigger. So that what I'm looking for. Just enter immediately when we get the red bell, and in just like 5 minutes we drop minus 14%. So let's see if esports is in a good scenario. So Hana. Ooh.
That's interesting.
Okay. Okay. Okay, let's move to a very small coin.
Yeah, volume is not that big.
Oof, what the heck? What the heck? What is
Oh
this?
my god.
What is this? 267,331%. Okay.
Yeah, I think it
Uh,
just listed like few months ago.
no, it's in 1 year. It's 1 year,
Uh,
but
okay,
doesn't make
that's
any
why I'm
sense.
saying is because that's like it's listed. Oh, 25. Yeah, September 25. So yeah, basically like
Yeah,
few months ago.
yeah,
I mean,
yeah. The price is rising in the past 2 months, but the RSI, look at how it's slowing down. So on the 1 hour, yeah, in 1 hour looks bearish,
yeah, personally I'm scared to trade like the coin with that volume because I mean,
very small.
yeah, I mean like only 1 million USDT and that's yeah. For example,
Usually, you
we got another million USDT from some big investor and then we just wipe out, you know. So that's
mm-hmm. uh, party. How much is 20 million? So usually, like Dimitro, which daily volume you consider for your trade? I mean, should be above 5, 10.
yeah, something like that. I would say. I mean,
So
the
one is
bigger the
too
better. You
small.
know, bigger is better because on this small volume we can see actually some unexpected things. You know, sometimes. So
Yeah,
yeah,
yeah, you're right. But personally, that it was what I'm looking for. So I'm looking for some manipulated move like this that are unsustainable. And then you look at this same setup, no volume, just gap, volume gap here, and the price cannot go higher. But yeah, maybe 1 million is too small. Should be at least five.
yeah. At least I would. Yeah, that's a good point. I mean it.
Uh, BAS. Okay. Pump, Bitcoin pump. Look at this again.
And
So
how many percent actually?
there is a massive drop. Oh no, only 4%.
I mean,
But
but it's good. If we
yeah,
got this straight, I mean that would be amazing.
yeah,
So yeah,
but still, it's a good one. So we just need to find the right. Look at this, same. So we need to find the right chart and the right coin. Unfortunately, I got the most crazy coin on this, but RSI finally is slowing down and it's going under 90, and volume are under the moving average that, of course, it rose crazy. But yeah, we got the red bell again. Anyways, we have the alert, so let's see if we have some other. Oh, this one looks good for me. 5
yeah,
million.
yeah. Good volume actually. We
Yeah,
can think about actually. Yeah,
yeah, I like this setup. Let's put it a bit higher here. And of course, let's go with 1%.
yeah,
I
and
don't
it's
want to
dropping.
risk more for now.
uh,
We are a bit late,
that's always.
as always. Yeah, that's normal. Okay, second trade of the day.
Yeah.
Um, mm,
By the way,
mm,
you got something like ideal trade. I mean, you just enter at the top exit at the bottom, for example, for short position. You got the trade. I mean, something like looks really ideal.
Yeah, the real setup, I mean, the ideal setup is like a big spike like this, but I prefer if the price doesn't break the moving average. So I'm looking for like a short, like a bearish trend like this
Mhm.
with very low volume. And then I want to see like a huge spike
Spike.
with
Hmm.
high volume, but I want the price to stay below the moving average. The this is the 100 moving average, 100 period moving average. So I don't want to see
Yeah,
like
I
a break
actually
like this.
Yeah, I actually know that like in like Ukrainian community, I saw like a slang like catch the knife, catch the knife.
Mhm.
So because it looks
Mhm.
like actually knife, because it spike really really fast and then it dropping down. So yeah.
Yeah. So I'm looking for something that is not unsustainable. I'm looking for
Mhm.
something that it's manipulated. It's obviously manipulated. Like this spike, that is not natural. So at certain point, someone will take profit on this move for sure. And that is when you see the volume moving down. And of course, if we have some divergence on the RSI, is another good sign. And also, as I say, I keep remember, if we are under the moving average, it means that the trend is still bearish. So there is no reversal signal about that. Um, Definitely
Keeping
no.
guys that
I mean,
are you guys trading more safely in these times? Not
on
calm
this,
times.
I mean, on this current chart, yeah, I just enter with 1% of the portfolio, the amount, because I need to manage this party that, look at this, is like burning the margin of our portfolio with these four enters. So um, look at this. Like in this case, the trend is bearish.
Yeah.
So the price is
I mean,
always
but it's
under the
it's for 5 minutes, but even on higher time frame, it's still bearish. So
yeah. Actually, now is 5 minutes, but also if we move to the 50 minutes, uh, from like 2 days ago, the trend turns bearish. The problem here is that we just broke all the moving average and all the setup. So
yeah.
this is very unexpected. It's very rare case that this happened, but we have to handle it. Um, where we where is my chart? I didn't lock it. Folks. Okay, let me lock this chart, and let's maybe put some. I remember last time, Dimitro, you advised to use the following price stop loss, right?
Yeah, my use actually follow take profit,
Okay.
really, really a lot. I mean, because yeah, I really like that. I don't need to manage it manually, and I really like to divide stop loss by like some key levels. I mean, take profits for some key levels. So yeah.
So I have to put the trigger
Okay, so
price and the
you need to put few take profits. For example, like three or two or something. I
at
don't know.
least
Let's go
at
three.
least two, at least two.
I use actually three. I mean, for like yeah, and then you use protection. Yeah,
Um,
this drop down. Yeah, and I put follow take profit. Yeah, go on protection and click on follow price.
yeah.
Yeah, this click on that and use follow take profit. And now you can see, yeah, You didn't choose that actually.
Where?
Man said, always use protection, Dimitro. Yeah.
Yeah, Dimitra
Yeah.
is.
Okay. Okay. Yeah. So actually, Rafa, we didn't click on that. So if we use protection, we can see right now follow price. You see on protection in stop loss.
Yeah, here.
Here we click on that
Yeah.
and we use follow take profit.
So follow price
Yeah.
is not.
Yeah, and look at that. After each take profit target is reached, stop loss price will be moved up to
Mhm.
average entry, first take profit, second take profit, and so on. So it always moving. For example, for short position, it always moving down and down. For
Mhm.
like every. So yeah, and it's actually very very good thing.
But I
Mm.
need to. No. Okay. What happened? To okay. No. This is.
I mean, our stop loss should be a bit higher, I think.
Yeah,
That's good.
because it's under the break even.
Yeah.
Okay, but the take profit is too close. Like this, right?
Uh,
Stop price is below the entry order. No.
I
Oh
mean,
yeah.
we use stop market, I think.
Okay.
Yeah, yeah, okay. It should be.
Mm, okay. But actually, my idea was to put the stop loss already under the break even, but we cannot
Okay,
do
let's
that.
see. Let's see.
Mm, yeah, but I don't like this setup,
Yeah,
so
I'm
I
starting as
don't.
well.
I don't like. I was not looking for
Uh,
this.
Rafa, we are beautiful traders, I can say.
I will just want to lock this move. My plan was to
I
put
think
like
I
the
think
stop
Ben
loss
right now
and
is
the take
proud of
profit.
us.
So my my plan was to put the stop loss under the break even to lock my profit this move, and yeah, that was not okay. So this trade is gone, or
Ben, Ben a bit sad.
let
We are very
me
sorry.
let me check folk remaining.
Uh, okay, actually, it seems like we will not gonna do 5 in a row stream with profit, unfortunately. Yeah, and
I
party
still
is
have
like,
one. I still have one position open. You see?
yeah.
Yeah, because I understood why. I entered twice again. So I have these open folks here that I open it when I put the, yeah. Okay, let's give it
Yeah, I
let's leave
think
it there.
we can, yeah, we can see, or we can just close it and that's it. Oh, okay. Party,
So
party at least, party at least a bit. Oh yeah, good drop down. Okay, at least something good.
just so
Rafa cannot stop. Oh my god. Yeah, you muted actually.
Okay, sorry, I'm
Welcome back.
back. I just think that Dimitro, for you, the solution is just close the trade and move to
Yes.
another one. So yeah, it was so funny
Yeah,
because
if I can see that something is really I don't like, I mean, let's just close it. I don't
yeah, I
want it.
mean it's very it works a lot. I mean, it's very simple, but it's quite efficient. That just if the trade doesn't respect your expectations, your rules, just close the trade and move on. So I
Yeah, I mean,
was
I will
struggling.
always look like that, use like that. Yeah, this thing because I mean, if I really see that candle, I don't like it. I don't like volume and all that stuff. Then I just close it and that's it. I doesn't care a bit about that more. So just delete position and that's it. I mean, for me.
I was struggling, try to understand what happened, and I was imagining for another entry with some other protection and edge stuff like that. But you just say just close it and move on. So that
Yeah.
makes so funny. And okay, Folks is gone. Folks is gone. Uh, what the heck? Doesn't make any sense. Let me resync and
Okay, but we did profit, yeah.
yeah, but I don't know why this amount is impossible. That is that high. So let me refresh the. I need to delete the position, but now I don't have any position, right?
Yeah, it's
Yeah, delete the
yeah,
position. Okay, let's see. Now it should be correct.
yeah,
It's still open. Let me.
yeah. Let's
Mhm. Okay, now
okay.
it's still open.
You can click on action. You can click on action here. Yeah,
Yeah, just
you
close
need to do that.
position at market
Yeah.
because the chart is not updated. I just closed the position at market, or what if we do like delete?
I mean, I
I
don't
just
know what's.
close market. Um,
Why we cannot just.
yeah, I sold two times and I close it two times.
You sold 2 times, but you only.
Yeah, I sold
Ah,
two times and I closed two times. But now I cannot close it at market or close position limit.
no. Ben said we did it only 1 times. Uh, can you zoom in chart? We can see it on
So
arrows actually. I think no. I mean, if we have only.
okay, so I think Ben just entered and he closed the position.
Oh my god.
Yeah. I think Bender just log into his account.
That's actually so funny. Yeah. Thank you, boss. Oh my god. What the traders we are.
Okay, okay, so finally we have some result, and actually it's a very good result.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay,
Oh my
we
god.
yeah, that's good.
Unbelievable.
I mean,
I don't know but the chart is freeze. Okay, let me let me count it.
Oh uh,
Okay, still. Oh no, I mean should be this one, right? Yeah, should only be this one. So it's 324 dollars. So it's like 1.7%. Yeah. So let me go to the banner here and update it. So I don't know
yeah.
what happened actually. I don't know why is that high, because yeah, I entered short twice here, but I closed only one, and Ben closed the second. So the break even, I think it was like around here. So maybe it makes sense.
I
But
think Ben is
yeah,
gonna make
so
our uh, a small lesson for us, how to close the position correctly. Because
okay. Yeah, I don't know why I cannot close it at market, but yeah, now it's gone. So I don't know
okay,
what happened on this trade, but yeah.
yeah, profit
For
was $4. I mean, it's okay.
is
Uh,
3.24.
I don't understand why we have this. Yeah, the second line. I mean, what was that? Can you
Yeah,
explain it to me? I mean, what is this line? Yeah, I mean, we have PNL 9.11.
but um this is not place.
Uh huh.
This
Uh
is
huh.
not
Okay.
place. So we only count this is
Uh
100%
huh. Okay.
close
Okay.
recover,
Okay.
and
Okay.
so it's 3.24. There is like 1.78%. Let me just zoom in. I want to see exactly. Maybe let's move on the 3 minutes. I want to see exactly the move. Okay, so we enter. So actually, three times: one, two, three, and three sell and three buys.
Mm-hmm.
Three sells and three buys. Yeah.
Yeah, and I think we
Okay.
should remove that order. Yeah, for
No, no.
buys.
Now it's gone. We don't have any more order now. There, it's totally gone. Let's just delete this. We only have one open trade, and is party
Party.
that is still there.
Yeah, and I think it will take some actually time to go back. I mean, you can see there is no like that big volume for long movement. Yeah, so I think there will be some like
Yeah, but
break
look at
here.
the RSI.
Yeah, it's
It's
still
dropping like
it's still
crazy.
yeah.
So I think, Ben, you will manage this trade by yourself. I don't touch it anymore. I give you a gift for today, so you you can
Rafa
use
is
it.
like, it's not me. Sorry, this is not mine.
It's like, Trump attacks Iran and then say, "Oh, sorry, let's make a deal. I don't
Yeah,
want to hurt you anymore."
yeah, party. Okay, yeah. Party will be done later today, and yeah, we at least we hope for that with Rafa.
Ooh, okay, Bob. Okay, that it was I'm looking for.
But look at the volume. I mean, not even 1 million.
Oh, you're right. You're right.
But yeah, it's the interesting one. But you can see, yeah, how.
Oh yeah, the volume is too low. Mm. Mm, 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 mm. Me, 1,000 rats? No. I think okay, Par is still there. I think there are not other opportunities for
Yeah.
this strategy. So let's reopen our uh, BB reversion and let's see if I can click it correctly. Ben say, but we need to wait for the narrow BB on the 5 minutes. Let me add the Bollinger Band here. Yeah, yeah. So still a long way. Okay, so after 1 hour of live, Dimitro, we are back with the BB reversion strategy. So what do you think? Should we keep going and look for some trade?
I can say good strategy, Rafa. But yeah. Actually, it was okay. I mean, party will come back down. I mean, that's 100%.
Yeah,
Of course, it will happen a
but
bit
not
later. We
in
will
this
see.
hour.
Yeah, it happens, you know.
Yeah, I
Yeah, and
mean,
also,
I should backtest it for
yeah,
many times
and
before using.
yeah, also, Rafa. After that, we are going to the lesson how to close position together with you. So yeah, that's that will be our homework.
Definitely.
Yeah.
So let me take note for next time. Okay. So what do you think, Dimitro? Should
I
we look
think
for one
there
more
was
trade? Let
too
me
much action for for
too much.
today.
Let me see what Bitcoin is doing. Okay, flat.
Yeah.
Uh, all right. So I think we can just leave it like there. For your trading analysis, I keep my trades on my own Excel sheet. For do you guys only use the analysis tool? I have an Excel sheet right here on my laptop to calculate the P&L of the trade. So Altrady, it shows, of course, the P&L, but there is just the move. So you have to count it based on your balance. So, for example, on this trade, we have the P&L that is 0.29%, but I use the real USD profit. I put it on my Google Sheet doc, and I calculate that based on the balance of the portfolio. So at the end, the profit for this trade is 1.78%. So that's it. Um, okay, so Dimitri, I think, yeah, one trade for 1 hour. We didn't close it. Ben closed it for us. Uh, I don't know, but it was profitable. So it's 1.78% of profit.
Yeah,
And
we should
we,
definitely do updates on next session for this trade, because yeah, it's really interesting how it will go, because yeah, we really want to see drop down, no? Yeah. So that will be interesting.
Yeah,
100%.
and we still have this crazy trade open, and I think it will not be scalping move anymore. So let's see if we can reach at least the break even for the coming hours is like a minus 11% move from this top. It looks like a distribution phase right now because volume is slowing down and RSI is going back to at least 75 from like 96. So the situation is now under control, and we have some alerts, and the band is narrowing,
Yeah.
as Ben mentioned. So there is a good sign. And let's see if we can close this trade in profit. And next week we come again, Dimitro, with the
Yeah.
screenshot
We
of this
really hope
trade.
that this position will not liquidate us, because I can think that there will be no any live next week.
If we got liquidated, I put the money for a new account and then we start again.
Yeah, we'll do it together. You know, we will
50-50.
rebound that.
Yeah, I mean, next time, let's just go back to the BB reversion. I think I have to back test more times the strategy I made, because it works, but this is just crazy case. Even with the BB reversion, I mean, this case, uh, it can be shown up also for the BB reversion, because look at the price out of the Bollinger Bands, and RSI practically overbought like crazy. So even on the BB reversion strategy, we can spot this kind of setup. But yeah,
Yeah, we'll see.
uh, the way is safe for now. Yeah, that's good. That's good. Mm. Okay, so Dimitro, you want to comment or
Yeah, that was
say
just
something?
another interesting session. I mean, yeah, it it was a bit different from previous ones. Yeah, but that's really okay. We have last question from Green Crypto Guy.
Okay.
Okay, let's wait for it. Yeah, I mean, it was really great. Just
From the stars, from the star to the stall, from the star to the stall. But so last week it was performance was like over plus 5%.
yeah,
And
that was great.
if we add today, 1.78 is almost 7%. So
Yeah,
if we close this trade at break even, but I'm quite confident that the price will go at least at this level, price level.
yeah, to this fair value gap, I think. Yeah,
Yeah, right. Uh, we have like almost 7-8% profit into hours. So
that's
I mean,
good. That's
it's a good,
I would say
right?
that that's really solid. So yeah, we just need to close this party.
Yeah. We just need to close this party.
What a party!
Um,
Yeah, what a party!
yeah. Uh, let's wait for the green crypto guy for the
Yeah,
last question. And meanwhile, we can see with the BB reversion strategy if we have something. So today it's more
party,
for long.
party all night long. Man said. Yeah, that will look like that actually for this trade.
So the ooh, I don't touch it anymore. I'm just taking a look just to spend some time. But yeah, I mean, I really would like to enter here long, but look at
But
this.
not
So
today.
not today, maybe tomorrow, like the song. But yeah, basically, the BB reversion is a very powerful strategy for both sides, even
Yeah,
long and short. And what I did is just using the same concept. So like big move, big volume, but instead of looking for long as well, I just look for short. So only
yeah,
for the rise. So if we open this, sorry, BB reversion, let's go to um, the builder. We have like the rules for long and short. So for short is like RSI over 70. So it's the same as I put it in today's strategy.
yeah,
And we have the stochastic as well over 80. But actually, RSI and stochastic is like the same kind of oscillator. So I think one is enough. And then we have the BB width. So it means like the opening of the bands, like the how you say, like the width, the divergence is like over 1.5%, and we have the close of the candle that is above upper the BB. So actually, the one I use is just more simple, and it's just rise above or equal to 3% in 5 minutes, and RSI like over 70. That's it.
yeah. I actually
All the
started
rise
use.
I want to show.
Yeah, I actually started use OR for some
Mm-hmm.
indicators. I mean, for me, yeah, because I tried to set them up for like my own, strategy or something like that. So yeah, I mean, that's very powerful. It really changed, like, yeah. If we compare it to quick scanner, that's a big difference actually.
And also we have the thumbnail chart here that is so nice because it visually show you how the price is moving and how the chart looks. So even
Yeah,
just having this thumbnail is a good. Uh, so actually, we already had a webinar to um, explain the TA scanner
yeah.
settings function.
I mean, or
Yeah,
we
correct. So
understood question maybe.
yeah, I mean, if you check our deep dive, yeah, I mean, it's just get release. So I think in the future there will be more implementations for sure. But Ben already made a webinar, like
Yeah,
video session, one
yeah.
month ago, more or less, like 2 or 3 weeks ago, where he explains in details how TA scanner works.
Yeah, and
So
actually, I was even surprised that I can be like a coder, because I used like expression in edit part in indicators, so we can actually like code what we want if we like love to do it like that, So that was really really great. Yeah, this one. I mean,
yeah,
you
we
can.
have the code and just move to the visual, and yeah, it's amazing. You can use both code if you prefer, or just we visual. You add your
Yeah.
condition, you
And by the
select your.
way, yeah, by the way, in documentation we have all logic, everything operators, anything that we have it in TA scanner, everything explained like sentence by sentence, So it's really great for understanding, of course, this scanner.
Yeah, yeah. So green Crypto guy, just if you have time, take a look at the band video again and see how it works. What do you mean? It is pending in the background for Altrady. What what do you mean by that?
Yeah,
Let
I
me
didn't understand clearly.
let me open YouTube so I can show you. Just give me few seconds.
Yeah,
All right. So here live we have the technical analysis scanner uh, published 2 weeks ago,
yeah, and we
and
got
you
the
can
same on Dutch channel as well.
yeah. So okay, about the Bybit API. I don't know. I need to ask Ben for that. I have no idea. Sorry, I don't remember what was your question about Bybit API. But because Bybit, let me see if offers the future. No. Sorry. Okay. All Bybit is. Oh yeah. Also, on Bybit should work, but I don't remember your question about Bybit APK, the API key. So yeah, uh, please just ask Ben or the community support for that. I cannot answer you right now here because I don't remember what was that about. Okay, Dimitri, I think it's time to say bye.
Yeah, really, really happy to be here again. I hope I could so host for you, so you are not alone. Yeah, I don't know if Ben will get back for next week. If not, I will be here again, of course. Yeah, and yeah, we hope for more and more profit, and of course, party. Yeah, we will see we will see some profit or at least break even.
For sure. Yeah. Go to Discord, please, Green Crypto Guy,
Yeah,
and
that's
thanks for you for having joined this live. It was something unexpected, actually, but yeah. I
yeah. And Ben
mean,
said, great job, guys. Thank you.
yeah. Let's see that after the close
After
of this
after
trade.
closing party.
Yeah. So now the setups is good because we are
Yeah,
forming the floor curve. So now it's time to going down.
yeah. It
Let
lo- it, it lost actually. That impulse is lost. So right now, I think the price will be flat a bit for like maybe several hours, and then it definitely go back to like break even and probably even to profit position.
yeah, and as
Yeah,
Ben said, the bands finally are narrowing. Look
yeah,
at this. So now it's time to go down. Volume gap is still need to be filled, and yeah, for today, that's it. Thanks, Dimitro. Thanks, everyone,
yeah.
and
Thank you,
see you
everyone.
next time.
For a lot of
Welcome.
comments. That was really great to see that interactions with all of you. Actually,
Yeah,
so
too many comments, interaction. Actually, I need to get one more eye. Only two are not enough.
I
uh,
have another two, so it's four in total.
for a total, not enough.
Yeah.
Uh, yeah. Okay. time to go. Thanks
Yeah.
everyone.
Thanks,
Bye.
everyone. See you. See you next
See you.
week.
Bye.
And yeah, see
Bye.
you tomorrow. Actually, we have tomorrow live.
Oh yeah, I forgot.
Don't
Yeah, see
forget
you
about it.
tomorrow, guys. On weekly recap, Macro Insight. Again, me and Dimitro take a look about the last move, the last news, and overall the situation about crypto. So see you tomorrow for the weekly recap and Macro Insight. Good one, Dimitro. I
Yeah.
forgot it. Bye.
Okay. See you, everyone.
See you. Bye.
Bye.